you want to convert or make your Instagram account private from public. Instagram private account feature allows you to control who can see your profile, followers, posts and stories. So, who can view Instagram private account? Only your followers can see your profile, videos and photos. Instagram users who are not following you cannot see your private Instagram profile. Switching Instagram profile to private account is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your privacy. In this video I will show you how to making your Instagram account private and control over who can see your Instagram content. So, let us start. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your profile page. Select Settings and Privacy, which is located at the top of the list. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section, and select Account Privacy. Toggle on the Private Account option. This will switch your account from a public to a private account. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now private, and only the people you approve as followers can see your content. You can convert your Instagram account from private to public at any time. Why you can't set your Instagram account to private? If you're using a business account on Instagram, switching to a private account isn't a straightforward process. You'll first need to convert it to a personal account and then switching to private account. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.